Good day, sir. I'm Ivan Paz from BSMT 3 Betelgeuse, and this is my presentation of the 5 stages of dry docking process. So, first is preparation. So, in this phase, it involves planning and preparing for the dry docking process. The ship's captain and crew work closely with the dry dock operators to ensure a smooth transition. So the tasks included here are coordinating with the dry dock schedule with the shipyard, preparing the necessary documentations like mga paperwork para mas dali agkuan, then ensuring the ship system and equipment are ready for the docking process, then arranging for the necessary crew tools and materials to be available during the dry docking. So the next phase is docking. So in this phase, it involves the actual process of moving the ship into the dry dock. So the ship is carefully maneuvered into the dry dock and the water is pumped out, allowing the ship, but it mag-differ na siya sa types of dry docking, pero ano is marag excavated nga dry dock ang example. So the water is pumped out, allowing the ship to rest on the dry dock's blocks. And during this phase, the ship's stability and structural integrity are carefully monitored to ensure safe and successful docking. And the third one is maintenance and repair. So this is the primary phase of the dry docking process. The ship's hull, propeller, and underwater components are inspected, cleaned, and repaired as necessary. So this is essential jud if mag-dry dock, because para if na mga minor issues, magmaagapan pa mahimog major issues. Then maintenance tasks such as painting, coating, and hull inspection are carried out during this phase. Pagpintal sa mga anti-fouling mga paints. And so any necessary repairs or modification of the ship system and equipment are also conducted during this phase. So katong gingon ho nga mag-repair sila. So number 4 is the testing and trials. So after maintenance niya mga repair work, so mag-trial and error sa jud na before i-set out jud sa open sea para ma-ensure if there are no issues or mga problems. So and it also consult sa pagka-seaworthy ni sa barko. Then the last number 5 is the undocking. So the final phase mo na ni kanang tangtangon ang ship sa dry dock and it moves to the open sea. So this ship is then carefully maneuvered out of the dry dock man pag-awson siya sa dry docks, and often assistance of tugs or other supporting vessels. So once the ship is safely out of the dry dock, the dry docking process is considered complete. So mao ra tanan ang kuan.